Oh my god.
What is this guy doing? That was not a smart move. Try it again. Try it.
Stop me right in front of it.
Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
And fared on for a while, skinny and shivering but curious. Her bridges kept falling down. There was a covered bridge between the armory and the main keep, and another that went from the 4th floor of the bell tower to the 2nd floor of the roof. But no matter how carefully she shaped them, they would not hold together. Ronda Steak sensor. She did not know how long he had been watching her, or when he had returned from the veil.
What is this guy? That's not how this works. Okay. Wiedziałem, dlatego zwolniłem.
What the hell?
I'm not telling you. I'm guessing you, Cloudy. No, but tell you couldn't guess it. Because you did not know because. Kiwi? Oh! Teeth? No. Black and white? Oh, what about, is it in the instant?
Open it all and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
No. Really?
I'm going straight. I'm going straight. I'm going straight, buddy.
Doesn't cover.
That's cool. It's like renter's insurance. Somebody robs your house, or even your homeowner's insurance.
Yes.
Someone robs you, or something. There's also little ways to get money back as well, but we don't know about it because we're not told by them because they don't want us using it.
I didn't know about it until yesterday.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
From Mount
Jeez,
Pine, Arkansas, he's a big watch guy, and I've never seen him eat a fry.
Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
Alerts further high-risk fires, and now there is a state of emergency on the island of Rose.
At least 23 people have died in a bus crash in northern Senegal. More than 50 were injured. The bus reportedly overturned in a village in the Lugo
most volatile day, even though it's not a huge percentage decline. It was only down 1.29% as we speak right now. But at one point, this was up significantly. It was up about 1.29%. So we've had a monster swing in the rough.
He's an asshole, is what he is. Dude, shut the f up before. Shut up! You got one last chance. Hey, both you guys. Put the ball over for me. Hey, you're ignorant prick. Hey, the tough guy.
Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
Of access to information, view of the world, understanding of things, instantaneous knowledge.
Gnostic machine.
Yeah, it was a high-end one too.
Yeah, no,
so.
What the frick?
What are you doing? Hey,
okay, Garmin, save video.
What the hell was that?
Retard is what that was.
That's got to go online. Though.
Yeah, that is going online.
Call the cops.
Yeah, I'm